It's Saturday morning. Had some overheating issues last night, which wasn't good. And then crawled my way down to Christchurch. So it's like 150 k's, I think. Bike's running like a bag of bolts. I'm really disappointed. And then we got to the motel, so I've had a good sleep. We've got to work out, man, because my battery's flat, so I've got to get a new battery, don't I? And we've got to work out what's happened with the overheating. If I've absolutely stuffed the bike up, or if we just keep going. I don't know. But also check this feature out. So we're just in a nice motel. Oh wow, my camera's super frittering. Anyway, this is our motel. We're right on the street pretty much. Check this feature out. Oh yeah, I'm pretty good with my safety like that. There's plenty of coolant in there. It's just I left the bike. I wasn't turning the bike off at the checkpoints because I couldn't restart it because the battery's flat. But I've also taken off the radiator fan because weight reduction, bro. So it was sitting there for 5 or 6 minutes just idling away. There's a few bugs. I don't think that's going to stop the radiator efficiency, right? I don't know. We'll ring a motorcycle shop and we'll see what we'll do. Always an adventure. Well, my wife and I were just going to spend the next 15 minutes trying to push start this from cold, but then we thought, why don't we just see if there is enough juice in the battery to start it up? And lo and behold, it started. It's 9:10 on the Saturday morning, and I'm on my way to the motorcycle shop. It kind of feels alright, so maybe I've dodged a bullet, maybe the bike is okay. This is bad. This is bad. The light's just gone off. So we did about 790 k's yesterday, which leaves us with just over 1200 k's to finish. The bike feels alright. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I mean, I'm going to spend the rest of the trip absolutely stressing, but we'll see how we go. We'll get to the bike shop and we'll chuck a new battery in it. That was the fastest battery change in the history of battery changes. Right, we're off to Jebby's, so we're just going to go one at a time, I think. If I turn my key on. Right, we're heading out to Akaroa. We'll do Jebby's, and then we'll do the really, really long, straight, boring part of State Highway 1 and head down to the Hazelburn checkpoint, and the girls will meet us there, hopefully. Dodged a bullet with the bike because it seems to be all right. State Highway 1 down this end of the country is incredibly dull, and that's about all there is to say about it. This lady has a flat front tyre. 5 k's that I've been following. Your front tyre's flat. Pit stop, the girls came and visited us. Just put a little bit of oil in the bike just to make sure it's all honky-dory. Put a bit of chain lube on. Bike's happy. Just had this farmer show up at his ute. Hey, what are all these bikes doing out here? We're doing a rally. Ah, that's what we do in our muscle cars. Showed him the map of the whole South Island. Oh no, we don't travel that far, he says. Next stop is Benmore. We're going to the dam. That's going to be quite exciting. So we'll just keep trekking on. A lot of bikes going. mean to have a bus and just chill out in this awesome landscape. I think that would be cool. Oh C, that's us. Is he coming or has he stopped for a photo? 2:18, so we'll put that down like 15 minutes. Oh, I hope we don't get split up. Where has he got to? Yep, there he comes. So I think it's all the way. We've got to go around the back of the power station. How do we get over there? No exit? In there, I think. Yeah, this looks like it. Or is this the plant side? Ah, maybe we're meant to be on the other side. Where's that water spout? Can you see a water spout, guys? Oh, we're miles away. We're still miles away, I think. Paul? No, don't stop. Paul! We're going to be on that road. We're about 5 kilometres away still. This is the wrong bit of gravel. We're going to go down that road for about 5k.
On that?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah.
5k?
Yeah. Oh, that's exciting. Nearly had WorkSafe called on us there. Right, so the spout is over there somewhere. So we've got to go down here and then across the bridge and then across to the other side. Those things are massive. Keep off. Now I think I go down here. Given the suspension to work out, how about we use the track that everyone else is using? Yeah! This looks like the water spout here. Bit of an adventure, but I think we've got there. Oh! My thing's broken! Oh no, that's bad. Oh, the heat from the exhaust. Oh, does anyone want 5 litres of petrol? Paul, where are you going? What's he doing? The checkpoint is here. It's here. This is the checkpoint. Did he lose something? Did I lose something? Probably. Oh, I lost my nostril. Oh, that's why you don't go so fast, because you break it. Gotcha. This must have just fallen off over the rocks then.
Yeah.
It just wouldn't be a TT video if I didn't have something go catastrophically wrong. Or almost catastrophically, dangerously wrong. Oh. Well, that's not going to stay there anymore, is it? Which McKays? Where are we? Benmore. B for Ben. 12:07. 14:34. That's an hour. 2 hours 30. Right, so we'll go back to the motorway and turn left.
Right, oh yeah, up the top there.
We'll have a good stop at the gas station, I think. Oh, ha, ha.
Oh,
Ha, 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 ha.
there's more than battery then.
Ha, 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 no. We're doing so well. Does that mean the stator and all that other fun electrical stuff is on the way out? If I put it in gear, set, go. Oh, I'm tiring him out. Now I gotta make sure I don't lose my jerry can again. Tell you what, this iteration of the TT21 has everything. Alright, let's get to Omarama and get some petrol.